What is going on, Savage Life family? Today we're going to be checking out my portfolio here. I haven't showed my portfolio since it was at 2,000. Now it is a little bit above 5,000, so I'm going to go ahead and let you know the plays that I am currently making to grow my portfolio. Before we do, smash that like, subscribe, and let's get on to this intro. We are back. Alright, currently looking at the portfolio now, it's at 5,595. Thank the Lord that this week that the market has climbed up a bit. Compared to last week, it completely plummeted and my portfolio is looking like about 5,200. So I guess today would be a great day to make the video so it doesn't look completely red. So I'm currently holding 200 shares of Wells Fargo, 100 shares of TNA, 100 shares of NEO, and those 3 shares there are my main focus in terms of passive income. I'm using those shares there to sell call options on every week, bringing me in a little over $100 a week passively. And for these other shares here, I am trying to get rid of. I did get rid of all my Tesla shares, which I did have 3. Little by little, I have been selling them. And Apple, I'm currently at a loss right now, negative $40, since my average cost was $128. That bit after this price split, I honestly thought it was gonna go a little bit higher due to the reveal of the release dates of the new iPad that's going to be coming out and the new phone as well. So we'll see in the future. I'm going to hold on to it for about a month until it sells off, because I honestly just want to get rid of these growth stocks for now and work on building passive income, because I just want to grow my portfolio all the way to 10K, ladies and gentlemen. The more money you have in your portfolio, the more plays you can make. That's why they say the rich gets richer and the broke stays broke. So this week I made a call for TNA, crediting me $44 for a strike price of 33, which it is doing well due to the fact that the average cost of the premium is going down. Now for NEO, I was awarded $45 in premiums for NEO, 44 for TNA, and 51 for Wells Fargo. So that's 51 plus 44 plus 45. In total, I made $140 this week, and this has been a consistent way I've been growing my portfolio, just selling calls or puts depending on the stock, but never selling at a loss, ladies and gentlemen. Just play the patient game, because eventually the market does go back up unless something happens like an assassination attempt on the president, which I don't see it happening. There is absolutely no way this method could go wrong. Now there are more stocks, there are different stocks than these that you could trade options on, like Workhorse or Nikola, but these are the most stable in terms of volatility, and they don't really jump as much as let's say like Workhorse. You can't really put all your trust within that company because you don't really know which direction it could head. It literally dropped $10 in the past month, and we don't know what could happen. Okay, no one has ever beaten the market by guessing. So if you guys enjoyed this quick little portfolio reveal, let me know down below in the comment sections and let me know what you are buying into. Alright, see you on the next one. We are out.